Hey guys, welcome back to Learn Gujarati. Our first word for today's video is flattery. In Gujarati we say khushamat or chapalusi karavi. Khushamat, khushamat or chapalusi karavi. Fool. In Gujarati we say murkha, murkh. For fool, in Gujarati we say murkha. Distress. In Gujarati we say taklif. Okay, taklif. Defame. In Gujarati we say badnaam karvu. Defame. In Gujarati we say badnaam karvu. Basically defame means badnaam, and because this is kind of action we say badnaam karvu is an action. Same way for flattery, khushamat is that particular meaning of that particular word, but because it's kind of action we say khushamat karavi or chapalusi karavi. Flattery, khushamat or chapalusi karavi. Fool, murkha. Distress, taklif. Defame, badnaam karvu. Now let's see sentence for each word one by one.
To watch the full video, find the link in the description box.